Okay, so the next part is just to do that J stitch, and we're going to follow make sure everything is aligned up here so I don't struggle later. So the idea is just to follow the curve here, and then here's our flap. It closes nicely there. So I'm not super happy with this part here, but okay, this is the first time I can use. When I do it again, I'll see what I can do. But I think this should be fine. Let me put a pin here and just see what it will look like from the front. So we will follow that curve, so that is good. Everything here looks fine. So I'm happy with how things turned out here. I think we are sort of getting there. The integration here at the bottom looks fairly good. Nothing wrong with it. I just want to pin here and that we don't pull it out of proportion here. Okay, so let's start with the top stitch, with this J stitch here. Then in any case I have to change the foot here. This is now to keep everything nice and flat. We follow this curve. I will definitely use this method again. I think if you practice it a lot, you should become very good at it. It's an easy method. Maybe just do something about the integration at there where the fly and the crotch come together. But I think, let's see it. Yeah, there it's perfect. Perfect. And it goes out from the top nicely to the bottom there. So now we take out this stitch, this spin. So I think it looks fairly fine. What we'll do is now, we're just going to put a stitch here to keep this crotch flat here. So about there, I just want to see. In any case, we need to stitch on top here as well to keep everything flat. So let me do that first. We're going to do when we do the overlock here. So this is now to keep the this is just a stay stitch. Okay, and then I wanted a stitch here. Let me feel it there. Make sure everything just a nice long stitch there. You see, just underneath that, just there. Okay, so I'm going to do it right from that side. keep that flap down. I don't want to go over. Okay. So everything looks fine here. I'll search on the internet to see if I can find more videos. Maybe that will help me to do this method better, but I couldn't find any videos. We'll do a second stitch now there. But okay, so here it is. When you open it up, the fly is there at the back. And when you close it, nicely done. Nicely. I am very happy for the first one. So what we're going to do next is we're going to attach the back panel and then do the side slits here with this.